Generating money on the internet is straightforward, and making money with PayPal is even simpler. We'll teach you how to generate money online without putting any effort in today's video. Prepare yourself if you have a phone, since this will be the most effective way you'll ever encounter. Make careful to watch the entire video from beginning to end to avoid being confused with today's approach. Please don't skip any sections to avoid missing critical information. If you do, you're unlikely to achieve your goals. We'll even show you a bonus app if you watch the video all the way through, so make sure you finish it. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. To begin today's strategy, open your browser and type in the URL that I'll provide you in a moment. The next thing you should be able to see, MacMoney, is that you can earn money for receiving text messages and for assisting us in improving global connectivity. The first step towards earning money online is to download the APK. Second, begin the installation process. And last, register your phone number. Finally, you'll be receiving SMS and earning money in no time. So, what is MacMoney exactly? By allowing us to send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations, as stated below. Simply said, you assist us in assisting mobile providers in collaborating. Each message should get increased the amount of money in your money bank, which is real money. So, how do you make the most money using MacMoney? To begin, install the MacMoney app on your Android device. Second, complete the registration process and consult the FAQ if you have any questions. Finally, double-check your phone number and you're done. Then, from time to time, we will send a text SMS to your phone number, and each received text message will add money to your balance. After you've reached the threshold, cash out at any moment. Finally, every friend you suggest to MacMoney app earns you a bonus. More information? You can read their frequently asked questions. Install now and start earning money. Simply download the app and we'll send you random text messages every now and again, and you'll be paid for each one you receive. It's also worth noting that this app is only compatible with Android smartphones. If you have an iOS device, the software will not work for you. MacMoney is an Android-only app since it allows us to process the results of the SMS text messages we send to your phone. Don't worry, we have a lot of other films that work on many devices, so check out our channel and see what else we have to offer. MacMoney is highly safe and secure for you to use right now. Your personal information is handled with extreme caution. If you go to this page and go down a little, you'll find a list of commonly asked questions that you may read, as well as a general registration process, as you can see. Because I don't get text messages about payments or referral programs, each of these categories has questions about the purpose of your requests. You can reach out to them by email or Facebook, and here is the URL for this fantastic website for today, cm.com. Follow the steps we've laid down for you to make money online. So that's just a quick overview of the complete website for you to make sure everything is clear and current. If you liked this video, please like and share it with your friends. If you liked it, please subscribe using that red button and leave a comment down below. It would be fantastic if you like it. Subscribe, switched on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this if we get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll release a fantastic brand new film that may be even wilder than this. So with that stated, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. Now, as you may recall, we promised you an extra tip earlier, and this is what we'll talk about now. In the address box of a new tab, put moneysmsapp.com. Money SMS app, make money online, is what you should expect to observe. Money SMS is a free Android app that allows you to make money online automatically by getting SMS created by our system and consumers. As seen below, Money SMS is a free Android app that allows you to generate money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. It's now one of the website's features. Because only Android permits program to read SMS messages, this software is only available for Android. You can earn money online using this software. Simply install our app to be compensated for receiving SMS text messages by our money-making app, Secure comes next. Our app does not read or utilize any of your private chats or other personal information. We solely read our own text SMS messages. It is fully automated. The app allows you to earn money without having to do anything on your side. You can also earn money by referring others. You may earn 30% of your friends and community's earnings by referring our app to them, and it's entirely free. To be clear, you do not need to purchase anything to get started, and there are no hidden costs. To make money online, all you have to do now is register, download and install the APK, and keep the app and the internet running on your phone. Receive automatic SMS after that. From time to time, our system and customers will send text SMS to your phone number. As you scroll down, you'll find that this app allows you to select your preferred payment method from a list of options. You can keep track of transaction results, withdraw money through a payment system, withdraw money within 48 hours, and track income reports. If you're having trouble installing the program, click this link to get all the help you need. Over 27 million tests have been sent, 303,000 euros have been paid, and over 435,000 users have joined, as you see above. You'll see this one if you scroll down a little. Why are you getting paid? Many telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators must send SMS text messages to foreign nations in order to validate and assure that their SMS is delivered properly. Because we use your phone number to perform such testing services, you're actually compensated. Please be aware that your private messages are not seen by us. Are we a rip-off or a genuine company? We take all essential steps at Money SMS to ensure that we meet the newest GDPR privacy policy regulations. You can examine the proof of payments from many of our users on an independent website if you're not sure whether we pay our users. By clicking on the check ranking and reviews links on this website, you can verify that this application is precisely what it claims to be. What's the point of downloading the app APK from the website? Unfortunately, we are no longer able to sell our full software on Google Play due to their stringent rules surrounding SMS reading. Our app's functionality is highly specialized, and it is no longer permitted. To earn money, you can use the demo version of the Money SMS app. You must, however, download the entire program APK from our website. Those are extremely important notes to remember, so read them carefully and pay attention to them. As you progress through the website, you'll see a help center where you may click and ask questions about anything. With that said, I was hoping you could double your revenue by using both apps on your Android smartphones. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.